Hello there, I hope you're all good and welcome to the Boss TV. Tanzania's $10 billion standard gauge railway is an electrified medium speed line that will eventually connect the commercial capital of Dar es Salaam with the countries like Burundi, Rwanda, Uganda and Democratic Republic of Congo. CRRC received 264 cargo wagons made by China's CRRC Rolling Stock Limited for the standard gauge railway. The 264 cargo wagons are part of 1,430 wagons manufactured by CRRC for the Tanzania Railway Corporation. The Tanzania Railway Corporation said 200 of the delivered wagons will be for ferrying containers with 64 for loose cargo. After offloading the cargo wagons, the corporation will undergo trial runs, first without cargo and later on with cargo between Dar es Salaam, Morogoro and Dodoma, the capital of Tanzania. Commercial operations for the cargo wagon will start after CRRC and experts from contractors have certified the wagons for use. On August 1, 2024, Tanzanian President Samia Suluhu Hassan officially launched passenger commercial operations of the country's SGR train service from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma via Morogoro. Upon completion, the modern rail link will cut travel time significantly and boost economic development in Tanzania and across the region. A 726-kilometer section of the line running from Dar es Salaam to the administrative capital of Dodoma was built by a joint venture between Yapi Marquez of Qiqihar and Motor Engel of Portugal. Construction broke ground in April 2017 and passenger services began in June 2024. The line has cut the time taken to travel between Dar es Salaam and Dodoma from 10 hours to 3.5. As well as the SGR wagons, CRRC has bought 400 more for carrying general cargo such as sugar, cement, salt, cotton, tobacco and coffee, and 600 for shipping containers. There are also other wagons for petroleum tanks, pipes, woods, metal and cattle. In addition to that, Tanzania Railway Corporation has procured a new railway recovery crane from Qiqihar with a maximum lifting capacity of 2,880 metric tons. It is the largest of its kind in Africa and will support accident recovery and maintenance on the standard gauge railway. So there you have it, Tanzania new cargo wagons and new recovery crane. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, share and subscribe to the Boss TV. Thank you for watching and see you next time, my friend. Until then, as always, bye bye.